everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Toys of Tomorrow. Now in this chapter we will study that everyone loves to play with toys. हम सबको toys बहुत पसंद है. But we are going to talk about certain toys which are our futuristic toys, which we will play with in the future. That means look at some of the futuristic toys and read how they are used. You will study about them and you will study about how they can be used. Write how the given toys help us using the help box. So let's begin with the questions. The first one given over here is build your game world by placing colored blocks on the board. Capture the game with the app and customize it. Play your new game with friends and you can create video games with this toy. So this is it. Now next we have now this actually belong to Bloxels. Next we have a game which is called as Shifu Orbit Globe. So in this game you can scan any country on the globe with the app, then explore the culture and the cuisine of the selected country. You can learn through the games and quizzes in the app, and hence you can learn about the world with this toy. So now both these toys are very creative, very informative for you. Next we have the third one, which is known as Makey Makey. We call it Makey Makey. Connect the board to the computer, then attach the clips to different everyday objects. Press the objects and play with them through the software. Now this is the image given over here of this game. With this, what can you do? You can create music with this toy. Then before moving to the fourth question, let's quickly do the your answer please. And it says the children, which is your favorite gadget? Now you have to write the name of the gadget which you like. Let's now move to the fourth question. The fourth question given over here is this game that is called as Kano Harry Potter Coding Wand. So in this you have to set up the wall following the manual and then connect it to the app. Later on, wave the wand to the code and complete the magical challenges. You can learn to code with this toy. So this was all about the various toys of our tomorrow. Next we have a picture study part, and in this you have to look at the pictures. That is, you have to write the names of the following toys using the help box by looking at the picture. Now the first picture is of laser chess, and the second picture is of another toy which is called as toy robot. Then let's move to the quick fact, and it says that AI toy market is expected to grow from approximately $8.7 billion in 2020 to $35.11 billion by 2030. So that means the AI toy market is rising high, it's increasing. Nowadays there are so many AI toys in our market. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.